How to fix microphone not working on PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix microphone not working on PC 2022. So all what you have to do is go to your PC. This is the home page. Now go down here to the search bar and search for sound like this and click on sound settings. Now after you click on sound settings, you will find many options right here. All what you have to do is click right here on sound control panel, and right here click on recording. After you click on recording, you will find the microphone option. You can disable or enable any device you want from here. So this is microphone, my microphone, as you can see, it's working. So yeah, you can also test your microphone from here if you want. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.